This is the dry machine. Then you open your powder. Open your powder. Give your oil and due to the vibration of the machine. Then your powder down. So on the add more oil. That's one of the disadvantages with this, because this one you need to keep recharging the disc. Recharging means you need to off it and put in powder and the oil again, while in the other wet machine is steady, you don't need to off it. So the choice is yours, you the buyer, whether you need the wet or the dry. But the good about this machine is that you can both use it for both dry and wet. We have the both powder, the white, the dry. The white powder is the wet, the wet sharpening is the white powder, while the dry sharpening is the harsh powder. So you can use one machine for the both sharpening. The choice is yours, whether you want to use the dry or the wet sharpening. So you add your oil again. You rub it all over. Make sure you rub it very well so that the whole of the surface will be, okay. Get your powder. Otherwise, it's okay. There are some blades that are well blown and are very stubborn. The surface have the claws of the ability within the inventory. So you need to be like 1 or 2 eyes